Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand. Recently on a daily time frame chart, Algorand has formed this symmetrical triangle. You can see that recently we have found the support of this symmetrical triangle here. On 13th of April, we had a bounce here, another bounce here, and now for the past several days, the price is moving between the support and resistance, and we have several touch points at the support here as well. And here on 12th of March 2024, the price found the resistance. We got a few touch points here, 1, 2, and almost 3 touch points. And then we got several more touch points of rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. Here we had a long spike, but the price could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And now after a few more rejections here, the price is now quite squeezed inside this support and resistance. And now soon it can break this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern. And you can see that so far from this low to the current high, it has rallied more than 302%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. That had been previously working as a resistance here, support here, support here, and support here. And after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a very strong resistance. And for the past several months, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. Now we will also need to break out this resistance of EMA 21, this red line, the exponential moving average 21, that was previously breaking as support here and here. And before that, it has been breaking as a resistance here. And now for the past several weeks, it is also breaking as a resistance. And at the same time, you can see that the price line has also broken out this very massive resistance, the lower bands of this very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, but got rejected by the upper bands. And now it is trying to break out the upper bands once again. And we will also analyze this resistance as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Loca, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 6th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone, rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me take you to the live chart of Algorand. And first of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several days, since after 12th of March 2024, when we found the resistance of this symmetrical triangle, it is moving inside this triangle. And here recently, we have found the support of this triangle. And now if we take a look at the targets, because it is about to break this triangle, then conservative target to the downside for this symmetrical triangle can be here. That will be approximately up to this next support of 11 cents. And in case of breaking out, the target to the upside can be here at the upper bands of this very long-term resistance, that is at 30 cents. And in case of breaking out this triangle, we can expect that it can try to break out or make a powerful attempt to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. If we take a look at the previous history of this very long-term resistance zone, then we can see that previously it had been working as a resistance here for several weeks from the month of October 2019 up till the month of January 2020. Then again, it worked as a resistance here for several weeks, support here, and for several weeks a month, it had been working as a support here from the month of May 2022 up till the month of November 2022. And since it has broken it down in the month of November, then since then, you can see it is flipped into a very strong resistance. And again, the price line is rejected by this resistance. Now, on the 7 days time frame chart, we will also need to break out this very long-term resistance of exponential moving average 21, this red line, the EMA 21, that had been previously working as a very long-term resistance. And now, again, it is breaking as a resistance here. By the way, it had been breaking as a support as well. After the breakout, we had a bounce here, another bounce here, and now we have broken it down. And now we have also broken out the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And we will also need to break out the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. So we have so many resistance levels here. We have the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. We have the resistance of this EMA 21 on the 7 days time frame chart. we also need to break out this upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. So we need to all break out all these resistance levels. Then we will need to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. Then it can continue this rally to the upside. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this very, very massive breakout from this very, very big falling wedge pattern, because we have broken out this multi-years based resistance, and sooner or later the price can hit that target, and that target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.